Hey, 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 English learners! Welcome back to SoftSpeak English, your favorite place to learn real English, easy English, the kind of English you actually use in real life.
Yes, welcome back, everyone. We are so happy you are here with us today. This is the podcast where we talk like real people and help you feel comfortable and confident in English.
I'm Judy.
And I'm Jake.
And together, we are your two English friends, not your teachers with a big stick, just your friends who want to help you grow.
Exactly. No boring grammar rules today, just real talk, real English, real life.
So Jake, be honest, have you ever wanted to talk to someone but you just froze?
Every single day. I see someone, I want to say something, and my brain just goes blank.
That happens to so many people, and that's exactly today's topic.
Yes, today we are talking about how to start a conversation in English with anyone.
Anyone, a stranger, a coworker, someone in line at a coffee shop.
I love this topic already. Let's dive in.
But first, a small favor.
Yes, if you enjoyed this podcast, please click like, subscribe, and share this episode with a friend who's learning English.
Send it to that friend who always says, I want to speak more English, but I'm too shy. This episode is perfect for them.
Okay, are you ready?
Let's go.
So Judy, when we say start a conversation, what does that actually mean?
Good question. Let's start with a word. Observation. O-B-S-E-R-V-A-T-I-O-N. Observation.
An observation is something you notice, right?
Exactly. It's when you say out loud something you notice around you. For example, it's really busy in here today.
Say it with us, listeners. Observation.
And here's the beautiful thing about observations. They're low risk. You're not asking a question, you're just noticing something true.
I tried this last week. I was at a coffee shop and I said to the person next to me, "Wow, this line is so long today."
What happened?
She smiled and said, "I know, right? I've been waiting 15 minutes." And suddenly, we were talking.
That's such a perfect example. Or he made an observation about the weather to start the conversation.
I like that. It feels so natural.
It is natural because you're not performing. You're just being present.
Okay, next word.
Compliment. C-O-M-P-L-I-M-E-N-T. Compliment.
A compliment is saying something nice, right?
Yes, but here's the key. A genuine compliment, not a fake one.
What's the difference?
A fake compliment is something you say just to say something. A genuine compliment is something you actually notice and mean. Like, I really like your jacket.
I do this sometimes. Last month I told a stranger, "Your bag is beautiful." And she lit up completely.
That's the power of a compliment. It makes people feel seen.
Seen. That's a nice way to put it.
For example, a small compliment can completely change someone's mood. Or, she gave him a compliment about his watch, and they ended up talking for 20 minutes.
20 minutes from one sentence.
That's how powerful it is.
Okay, what shouldn't we compliment?
Good question. Avoid anything too personal. Compliment things people chose. Their shoes, their bag, their style, not their body.
That makes sense. A stranger complimenting your jacket feels nice. A stranger commenting on your body feels strange.
Exactly. Okay, next word. Genuine. Genuine. Genuine.
Genuine means real, honest.
Right. And when we talk about a genuine question, we mean a question where you actually want to know the answer.
Like what?
Have you been here before? What do you think of this place? You're asking because you're curious, not just to fill silence.
I notice people can tell the difference.
They absolutely can. When your question is genuine, people open up more.
For example, ask a genuine question and you'll be surprised how much someone shares.
Or, his genuine curiosity made the stranger feel comfortable enough to talk for an hour.
An hour from a genuine question.
That's the magic of caring about the answer.
Okay, next idea. Humor.
That's how powerful it is.
Okay, what shouldn't we compliment?
Good question. Avoid anything too personal. Compliment things people chose. Their shoes, their bag, their style, not their body.
That makes sense. A stranger complimenting your jacket feels nice. A stranger commenting on your body feels strange.
Exactly. Okay, next word. Genuine. Genuine. Genuine.
Genuine means real, honest.
Right. And when we talk about a genuine question, we mean a question where you actually want to know the answer.
Like what?
Have you been here before? What do you think of this place? You're asking because you're curious, not just to fill silence.
I notice people can tell the difference.
They absolutely can. When your question is genuine, people open up more.
Ask a genuine question and you'll be surprised how much someone shares.
Or, his genuine curiosity made the stranger feel comfortable enough to talk for an hour.
An hour. From a genuine question.
That's the magic of caring about the answer.
Okay, next idea. Humor.
Humor. Humor. Humor.
I love using humor, but I'm always scared it'll go wrong.
That fear is normal, but there's a simple rule. Keep your humor light and shared.
What does shared mean here?
It means you're both experiencing the same funny thing. Like if you're both stuck in a slow line, you could say, "This line is moving slower than a sleepy turtle."
That's funny because we're both feeling it.
Exactly. You're not making fun of the other person, you're finding humor in a shared moment.
What about joking about yourself?
That's called self-deprecating humor, and it works beautifully. Like, I've been standing here for 5 minutes and I still don't know how to order.
That's relatable. It makes you seem human.
Example, a little self-deprecating humor can break the ice instantly. Or, he used humor to lighten the mood before asking for help.
Break the ice. I love that phrase.
Break the ice means to say or do something that removes the awkward tension at the start of a conversation.
So humor is one great way to break the ice.
One of the best ways.
Okay, last one. This one ties everything together.
Yes. Follow-up question.
A follow-up question comes after your first sentence, right?
Exactly. It's the bridge between small talk and real conversation.
Give me an example.
I say, "I really like this cafe." That's an observation. But if I stop there, the conversation dies.
So you add,
"I really like this cafe. Do you come here often?" Now they get to talk. Now it's a real conversation.
that small addition changes everything.
It really does. For example, a good follow-up question keeps the conversation alive. Or, she always adds a follow-up question so the conversation doesn't die too quickly.
I want to remember that phrase, doesn't die too quickly.
It's such a real feeling, right? A conversation that just stops.
Painfully awkward silence.
Yes, awkward. AWKWARD. Awkward means uncomfortable, embarrassing.
We've all felt awkward silence.
We have, and follow-up questions are the tool that prevents it.
Okay, so let's put this all together. Judy, can we do a role play?
I love role plays. Let's imagine we're strangers at a bookstore.
Okay, I'll start. Hi, excuse me. This bookstore has such a great selection.
Oh, I know, right? I could spend hours here.
Same. I love your sweater, by the way. That color is beautiful.
Oh, thank you so much.
Do you come here often?
Actually, yes, every weekend. This is my favorite spot in the city.
That's great. What would you recommend?
Well, if you like mystery novels, this shelf right here is amazing.
Perfect. Thank you. It was really nice talking to you.
You too. Enjoy your book.
Wow, Judy, that felt so natural.
It did. And notice, we used everything. An observation about the bookstore, a compliment about your sweater, a genuine question, and follow-up questions.
All in under a minute.
That's the beauty of these patterns. They work together naturally.
Okay, let's review for our listeners.
Good idea. Step 1. Make an observation about something around you.
Step 2. Give a genuine compliment.
Step 3. Ask a genuine question you actually care about.
Step 4. Add light, shared humor if it feels right.
And step 5. Always add a follow-up question to keep it alive.
When you say it like that, it sounds so simple.
Because it is simple. You just need to practice.
What if I still feel nervous?
You will. And that's completely normal. Nervousness doesn't disappear. It changes into excitement with practice.
How?
Small wins. Every time you have a short, successful conversation, your brain learns, I can do this.
I love that. Small wins build confidence.
They really do. And here's something important. Most people you talk to, they're hoping someone starts the conversation. They're nervous too.
Really?
Really. So when you say hello, you're giving them a gift. You're giving them permission to connect.
That completely changes how I think about it.
It should. You're not bothering anyone. You're offering connection.
So the real lesson today is...
Do it anyway. Make the observation. Give the compliment. Ask the question. Do it while nervous.
And each time, it gets a little easier.
Every time. And that's real progress. Not perfect English. Real, human, connected English.
The English that actually matters.
Exactly.
Okay, listeners, here's your homework. Today, try just one pattern, one observation, one compliment, one genuine question.
And tell us in the comments which one you tried and what happened.
We read every single comment.
We really do. Thank you so much for listening today.
Keep practicing.
And keep smiling.
Bye for now.
Bye, everyone.